welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I bring you the Apple Watch SE, which was released in September of 2020. Let's take a look at it. Now, before we even begin, I will be comparing the Apple Watch SE in comparison to the Apple Watch Series 3, as that is what I am upgrading from. So bear that in mind as we compare this. First off, you guys already know that normally Apple has their product embossed up in the front. However, this time around, we do not have that, as typical of the watches. And also, you guys normally know that Apple will have at least the words embossed so that you can feel them, but it looks like that wasn't the case this time. It's just completely flat. But anyway, let's go ahead and pop it open. Here we go. Oh, no, wait, you slide this one? What do you slide? Wait, what am I doing wrong? Oh, so I guess it's these things up at the bottom. We do, oh, wait, what do you do? How do you get this out? I don't want to rip the box, but I think I'm going to, okay. We did not have to rip the box. Okay, thank God. As we like to display these right afterwards. There we go. So, ooh, this is nice. So I'm gonna guess that this is the sport band. Okay, we're gonna put this aside. And here's the Apple Watch itself. It's okay. I think I prefer the old packaging better, to be honest with you. The box felt much more substantial. This feels, I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. Let's go ahead and look at the paperwork we got. You guys already know we got startup guide to get yourself familiarized with the phone. Wow, that's how you know that unboxing phones is ingrained in me. So you can get yourself familiarized with the Apple Watch. As always, you got Apple's, regulatories. We also got Apple Watch charger. This should be a USB-A to be able to charge your Apple Watch. Okay, and it is USB. So we're gonna put that aside. We're gonna put this aside as well. We're gonna put all our paperwork aside. We're gonna take this and put it aside as well. And we're gonna continue with our unboxing. Now, the Apple Watch is, oh man, that looks beautiful actually. Let's go ahead and take it out of this like wax paper packaging. And again, this is a 44 millimeter version, as it is being offered in 40 and 44 millimeters. And again, here it is. It's very, very nice. It looks very similar to the Series 3. Again, it's also polished aluminum, but the back just looks so much nicer. The whole back looks like polished stainless steel, and that thing looks just absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure just how much detail you guys are able to see, but look at that. That thing is just glossy, huh? A lot of the things are being kept the same when you compare this to a Series 6, this being the SE. So we both have a 32 gigabyte storage, as opposed to the 8 gigabytes that we used to have on the Series 3. However, this time around, we have an SIP5 instead of an SIP3, which we had in the Series 3. Now compare that to the Series 6's SIP6. We're just lagging a little bit behind. However, you will be glad to find out that coming from the Series 3, we have been upgraded to Bluetooth 4, from Bluetooth 4.2 to Bluetooth 5.0 for steady connection and to be able to connect to more than one device at a time. Although I can't imagine that being very useful with an Apple Watch. Now, again, as I said, we have kept a lot of the things the same from the Apple Watch Series 6. As in, we are also able to have fall detection. It is able to call it will offer to call emergency services for you in case it has detected a hard fall. And it looks like we got more paperwork over here. We're gonna put that aside. Let's go ahead and look at the band, and look at that. So we got instructions to install the band, as sometimes it's people's first time installing it. And it looks like we also get some, we got a medium and a large, and we get a small medium. So it looks like I'm gonna be using the small medium because my wrist is not that big. Let's go ahead and tear into this. Use that, and then we're gonna use this. Okay. Then now it looks like this part goes at the upper part. So to install it, all you simply have to do is just slide it in. There's these little pins that click in there. And whenever you just want to detach it, all you have to do is just press it in the middle, or press it in the middle to detach it, and it'll come out. So again, all you have to do is just slide them in there like so. Actually, this might be a better view of it. Slide them in there like so. And then you hear that satisfying click, and you know they're in there. And now for the bottom, it's gonna be the same thing. We're just gonna simply slide it until we hear that click. Well, we simply slide it. What are we doing wrong? Okay, simply slide it, and it's in. Let's go ahead and take this off. This aside. We will probably need to, okay, we do not. Okay. And here is the Apple Watch itself. Very, very, very beautiful Apple Watch. Looks very nice. Again, it is bigger, as it is a 44 millimeter versus a 42 millimeter that I have on my Series 3. We're gonna obviously select English. We're in the US, and obviously in order to start pairing it, all you have to do is simply put your iPhone nearby it and turn on your Apple Watch on your iPhone, and that's not it. Okay. Well, how do we add a new Apple Watch? So all you're gonna need to do to pair it is just go to All Watches, go to Add Watch, and set up for myself. So we're gonna scan this with our camera, align it with the viewfinder. Come on, viewfinder. What are you not getting? Why is this not working? Come on. There we go. Your Apple Watch is paired. Set up as new Apple Watch. It's gonna be on the left. And we get that beautiful Apple design. Okay, it's gonna take a moment to pair. And then meanwhile it's pairing, let me just give you again some more background on this. This one is available right now for $309, plus tax of course, and I'd imagine it going on sale from time to time. Although since it is fairly new, I can't imagine it dropping in price too much. As stated earlier today, we have gone from Bluetooth 4.2 all the way up to Bluetooth 5.0. And in addition to that, this time around, our digital crown will happen to have haptic feedback right along to it to let us know that it's working. However, what we don't have present here that you would have present in the Series 6 would be that always on display that unfortunately is not present here. However, I don't really find that to be a deal breaker, especially since I don't find the need to have my Apple Watch on constantly, as I really only use it so that I don't have to be always checking my phone, make sure I got a text or not, especially when I'm waiting for one. Furthermore, we also don't have the ECG capabilities as the ability to measure blood oxygen levels that you would normally have on the Series 6. And let's go ahead and make the text. We're gonna leave that alone. We're gonna not add a passcode. We're gonna continue. Okay, look, this is what I was trying to tell you guys. In addition to being able to hold the side button, which is what you would normally do to be able to access emergency services, this one again has fall detection. And if it happens to detect a hard fall, it will offer to call emergency services for you if your iPhone is nearby in case you only have the Bluetooth version, and it'll offer to call emergency services for you even if your iPhone is not nearby if you happen to have the data enabled version. Let's go ahead and continue. We've acknowledged that. We can install apps. We're going to choose them later. And it looks like it's just syncing, and we're going to leave it alone and allow it to finish syncing up. And other than that, I can't imagine, honestly, I don't know. I'm not old. I feel like I'm okay without the ECG features, and it's not a whole thing about being old. It's just that the whole being healthy thing that, it's not enough for me to buy it, at least not just yet. Maybe if I see other people using it, maybe if I find some more functionality for it, I might get it. I think it was cool whenever we first had to wear the mask and people were, able to measure their blood oxygen levels and being able to prove that, wearing a mask does not affect your blood oxygen level. So for that, I'd say that is pretty cool. But other than that, I would go with this over the Series 6 any day. I don't find any use in spending the extra money for it. So it looks like it's still not done pairing up. We have Apple Watch Basics display. That way you can get yourself acquainted with an Apple Watch just in case you've never used one before. Tap to swipe. It'll definitely get you acquainted again with the Apple Watch, just in case you don't know your way around one. To show the deck for Apple Pay, nice, and press and hold for emergency services. Cool. Okay, and it looks like our Apple Watch is ready to go. So it says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. We pressed it. Ooh, it's vibrating. Okay. Oh, that looks nice. That display looks great. Like, let me see. Do we have any other displays available? Ooh. Okay, yeah, that looks nicer. That definitely looks nicer. Okay, I can definitely get with the bigger display. Although I would like more watch faces. I'm sure I can put some more on. Let's go ahead and put this puppy on. And this is what we're looking at. Not bad. Not bad at all, Apple. I can get with this. I can wear this. So pretty much what you're used to getting. The only one that ooh, this compass one looks cool. Oh, that's tight. Yep, north. Yep, it's always facing north, basically. Yep, that's cool. All right, let's see, what else do we have here? Any other new nifty features? I think that's about it, besides the fall one. It's an Apple Watch. You already know what it does. One more thing before I forget. There is supposed to be an always-on altimeter so that you know what your height is at all times. No. Where's that always-on altimeter? Come on. Elevation. There we go. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Cool. So we have an always-on altimeter. Okay, so we're gonna make that our watch face. Okay, cool. Set this current watch face, and let's watch. Oh yeah, we are at 718, 717, 718 feet above sea level. Let's see if I raise it up even more. Does it really? Yep, 720, 721, 722. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Let me see this again. 717, 16. Oh, wow. It absolutely works. Holy crap. I mean, it's a little wonky. It's like at 719 again, but that's pretty cool. 720. That's really cool. So it has an always on altimeter. Let's see, do we have any other temperature, today's date, AQI? I think we did that already. What's AQI? I have no idea. Oh wow, air quality index. Oh, well, that's pretty cool. 60. All right. So we learned something today. Oh wow, so it even gives you an air quality index. That is pretty cool. And I can definitely attest that the Digital Crown does have that active feedback. So every time you turn it, it gives you that feedback letting you know you've turned the dial. So that's pretty cool. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the video. Hit the dislike button if you didn't like it. Leave a comment. Let me know what other products you'd like for me to cover, what other topics you'd like for me to talk about. And as always, thanks for watching.